The best camping folding chair combines durability, comfort, and portability. Built with a sturdy frame, lightweight design, and compact foldable features, it's perfect for outdoor adventures like camping, hiking, or fishing. Enjoy convenience and relaxation anywhere. There are many different types of camping folding chair, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best camping folding chair that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 1. Trickology Yeezy Light Ultralight Camping Chair for Adults. The Trickology Yeezy Light Ultralight Camping Chair is the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts who value portability and comfort. Weighing only 780 g, 1.72 pounds, it's ideal for backpacking, hiking, or any adventure where every ounce counts. Designed for convenience, this compact folding chair collapses into a small carrying bag measuring just 12.6 foot x 5.9, 32 by 15 centimeters, making it easy to stow in backpacks, motorcycle compartments, kayak gear bags, or even carry-on luggage. The shock cord connected frame allows for quick and effortless setup, with fully assembled dimensions of 21.7 foot x 21.2, x 21.7, 55 by 54 by 55 centimeters, and a chair height of 9.8, 25 centimeters, providing a low-to-ground sitting position. Crafted for durability, the frame is made from aero-grade aluminum alloy, while the seat is constructed from 60D nylon ripstop polyester, offering a 200 pounds, 91 kilograms, weight limit. Perfect for camping, trekking, fishing, or beach outings, it's your versatile outdoor essential. Number 2. Ultralight Camping Chair, Portable Folding Backpacking Chair. The Daiweight Ultralight Camping Chair is the perfect portable solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing just 2.8 pounds, this chair is compact and lightweight, folding down to 14.9 foot, L, x 6.3, W, to fit easily into a handbag or backpack, making it ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, or any outdoor adventure. Built for stability and durability, the innovative frame design ensures maximum balance from all angles, with a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. Even when you shift or twist your body, the chair maintains gravity balance, preventing tipping. Its widened seat design enhances comfort, allowing for long periods of relaxation without fatigue. A convenient side storage pocket keeps your essentials like drinks and phones within reach. Installation is a breeze. Simply connect the aluminum frame rods and attach the fabric seat cover in under 30 seconds. Compact, comfortable, and easy to transport, it's perfect for outdoor adventures or as a thoughtful gift. Number 3. Oversized Portable Camping Folding Chair. The oversized portable camping folding chair is designed for durability, comfort, and convenience, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Built with hammer-tone powder-coated steel, this chair resists corrosion and fading. The heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced base can support up to 450 pounds, 200 kilograms, offering stability and reliability. Made from 600D Oxford fabric, it's tear and abrasion resistant, ensuring long-lasting use. This chair is foldable and portable, requiring no tools for setup. It folds down to a compact 9.05 inches by 38.58 inches, weighs 12.8 pounds, and includes a carrying bag for easy transport. The oversized dimensions, 25.2-inch DX37, WX39H, and large seat area provide ample space, while the padded armrests enhance comfort. Convenient features include a mesh cup holder, a cooler bag to keep drinks cool, and a side pocket for storing essentials. Ideal for camping, fishing, picnics, or concerts, this chair offers all-season comfort and durability. Number 3. Oversized Portable Camping Folding Chair. The oversized portable camping folding chair is designed for durability, comfort, and convenience, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Built with hammer-tone powder-coated steel, this chair resists corrosion and fading. The heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced base can support up to 450 pounds, 200 kilograms, offering stability and reliability. Made from 600D Oxford fabric, it's tear and abrasion resistant, ensuring long-lasting use. This chair is foldable and portable, requiring no tools for setup. It folds down to a compact 9.05 inches by 38.58 inches, weighs 12.8 pounds, and includes a carrying bag for easy transport. The oversized dimensions, 25.2-inch DX37, WX39H, and large seat area provide ample space, while the padded armrests enhance comfort. Convenient features include a mesh cup holder, a cooler bag to keep drinks cool, and a side pocket for storing essentials. Ideal for camping, fishing, picnics, or concerts, this chair offers all-season comfort and durability. Number 4. Sportneer Lawn Chairs, 3 Heights Adjustable Camping Chairs. The Sportneer Lawn Chair, 3 Heights Adjustable Camping Chair is your ultimate outdoor companion, offering stability, durability, and versatility. Designed with a square structure and 4 support points, it ensures superior stability and supports up to 330 pounds, making it ideal for various terrains and users. This chair features 3 adjustable height levels, 13-inch, 14.17, and 14.96, to suit your seating preferences for different activities. Built with heavy-duty 7075 aluminum alloy and 900D Oxford cloth, it offers exceptional strength and longevity. Plus, it includes 2 side pockets for convenient storage of small essentials. Weighing just 2.64 pounds, this ultralight and compact chair folds into a portable size of 13.5 inches by 5.5 inches by 4.5 inches, making it easy to carry in its included storage bag. Whether you're camping, hiking, picnicking, or enjoying a concert, the Sportneer chair is the perfect choice for comfortable and hassle-free outdoor adventures. Number 5. Trichology Ultralight Beach Chair Lightweight Camping Chair for Backpacking. The Trichology Ultralight Beach Chair is a lightweight, portable solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize comfort and convenience. Every ounce of this chair's 1.72 pounds weight is carefully calculated for backpacking, camping, or beach adventures. Its compact foldable design collapses into a carrying bag measuring 12.6 foot x 5.9, making it easy to fit into backpacks, motorcycle compartments, or even carry-on luggage. Featuring a shock cord connected frame, setup is quick and effortless. Once assembled, the chair measures 21.7 foot x 21.2 x 21.7 with a low-to-ground height of 9.8, perfect for beach lounging or campsite relaxation. Constructed with aero-grade aluminum alloy and durable 60D nylon ripstop polyester, this ultralight chair supports up to 250 pounds while resisting tears and wear. Versatile and sturdy, it's ideal for hiking, kayaking, fishing, concerts, and more, offering dependable comfort wherever adventure takes you. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.